Sanibonani, welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to Mkosina Phile. Ngiyabonga kakhulu for coming. Thank you so much for joining. Wakhohlwa subscribe, like, share video. So you guys, kule video saluthi ngikhuluma ngobaba uMbhoro, you guys, ngoba ubaba uMbhoro bese court izolo ke I'm sorry I didn't get time ukuthi ngiposte lezi indaba izolo. So ke into ebisenzeka ubaba uMbhoro izolo bese court ibheki yena ne bodyguard yakhe nomntana wakhe, you guys, for allegedly khumbula ke did I say allegedly? Okay, but anyways yakhumbula ke ama video wakhe phethe amaphanga nako konke esikoleni eyohlasela, you guys, efuna abazukulu bakhe ngenkani kwafika wahlasela uthisha kwagcina lokho sebemlahlele ejele for that. Remember ukuthi I think we wabuye court kwabuye kwathiwa bazojike izolo, and then izolo bese court again, you guys, for bail hearing yabo. Actually they were denied bail ke ubaba uMbhoro ne bodyguard yakhe bancishiwe lapha na bail, you guys. So yeah man, you guys, izona ndaba ebezitrenda izolo kuthiwa uMbhoro ke ube shocked lapha even ne bodyguard yakhe, you guys. After they've been denied bail by the Palm Ridge Magistrate Court, he remained behind bars until the next court date ending. It was postponed to until October. Hayi usazohlala baba uMbhoro ejele, you guys, ngaze ngamzwela nkosi yami kuthiwa uMbhoro ke bazophinde babuye back ngo-October. Cabanga nje bengicabanga ukuthi mhlawumbe something is gonna happen yesterday, at least baphume. Hayi akuphumeki lapha, you guys. Omunye uthela lapha, you can see that Pastor Mbhoro is denying to open his mouth and shout, oh lies ngendlela, you guys, avulanga umlomo mangabe the state lawyer mentions ukuthi babephethe amaphanga ezinganeni zesikolo, and ezingane zesikolo vela zikaze zibone iphanga. Hey uMbhoro ube mangale ekhamis engathi uthi bamqambela amanga, you guys. I'm like, hawu baba uMbhoro wawuphethe iphanga nje lapha uma ngazwa yini kodwa bakithi. Hayi angazi bafethu ke uMbhoro ube mangele. I-video yakhe trenda enze lahlela ku screen sami, uMbhoro emangele lapha mabekhuluma ukuthi wangena esikole ephethe amaphanga, ube mangele ngempela. Pastor Mbhoro Motsweneng and his bodyguard uVincent Balu, guys, emehlweni angisaboni nkosi yami. Ungizwa njengathi nyakaka siyazi ukuthi amehla masaboni kahle, noma ngithi ngifunda ulutho nje, hey ngathi ngibone ezinye izinto. Pastor Mbhoro Motsweneng and his bodyguard uVincent Balu have been denied bail by the Palm Ridge Magistrate Court. Mbhoro's son Revival, why is he Revival igama lebhasi? Was however released on a warning. The case was postponed to October, okay, you guys. So kune video leki trendile ka baba uMbhoro umangele, yazi umangele, you guys. Zoyilahlela on my screen ngathi nje uthi bamqambela amanga lapha bathi wayiphethe iphanga, ilawyer malithi wayiphethe iphanga lapha bodyguard yakhe iphethe AK47 whatever. Hayi uMbhoro nangu actor ngathi hayibo kanti kwenzakalana ngobaba uMbhoro, you guys. Ngeke he was so surprised on that clip. He looked so surprised. I was wangiqambela amanga she. Allegedly kuthiwa waqala waye crash ngoba mina ngezwe kuthiwa ke ingane zalwa mfana zintathu ezisesikolweni zimbili, eyodwa isasencane secrash. Manje ukhona lapha Alex ukuthi ngathi waqala crash kusho ukuthi wayefuna ukuthatha lo mncane, mhlambe wahluleka wasebuya ke ngapha esikoleni, you guys. So angazi mhlambe umangala khona ukuthi bathi waqala ecrash ukuyolanda ingane secrash noma mhlambe angazi, you guys. But you can see that Pastor Mbhoro is denying to open his mouth and shout lies, you guys. He looks like he's denying. I mean, he is a pastor, he speaks for a living, but I'm sure his lawyer gave him a strong warning to keep his mouth shut before he is found in contempt. So angazi bafethu uloke trend lapha ngokukhamisa umlomo baba uMbhoro engathi uphikisana naloko kushiwo ke ileli lawyer. Someone said anyone who ever genuinely believed ukuthi uMbhoro is a man of God should be arrested. But uMbhoro kazange nje abe is a man of God. Izithombe zakhe eziningi nje ephethe iphanga lapha na, you guys. Angazi ukuthi yini ekade imenza ukuthi amangale kangaka mabethi khuluma ngalokho lapha na ecourt. Usatrenda namanje baba uMbhoro, you guys. Pastor Mbhoro frustrated and shocked, you guys, after they were denied bail. Ungaze ngamzwela nkosi yami kusazohlala lapha until October. Ukhona uthi baba uMbhoro is much safer on the inside, trust me. And I don't think ukuthi labantwana labo abasebemxolela uMbhoro uzofica bamlindile. Ingane ngeke zimenzele ukuthi uMbhoro, you guys. Ukhona uthi Pastor Mbhoro is a terrorist and he deserves no bail. And kuningi uyatrenda you guys ama-memes asefakiwe laphana koMporo is just a whole lot and kuyahlekisa kodwa Nkosi yami but we hayi usazohlala ejele bakithi uMporo. And I saw someone mentioning ukuthi actually ubaba uMporo has been arrested for the 9th time. Hayi ubesenza ka-9 ubeyenzeni lapho ka-9 hayi kusho ukuthi ubaba uMporo naye isigebengu nyana Nkosi yami hayi ka-9 konke. Tell me lapana the videos of Pastor Mporo in court are dusting me. Why is that man acting shocked when they read out his charges? Everything is on camera, mara. Hi, ngeke bafethu. He really acted surprised. What? Angazi ukuthi yini lapana ebingamanga kuye. That looks so funny. But Baba Mporo is a very funny man. He's a funny pastor. Not ukuthi ngiyamdelela bafethu. He's a very funny pastor, eh? Uyibonile clip yakhe enkathi engakaboshwa you guys. Yese police station kunabantu laphana ngathi babhiza ngazi babetoyitoya ngazi babesenzani. Yena engale nje eside phela ngathi amaphoyisa ngathi ubeduze namaphoyisa kanje Baba Mporo allegedly bese police station lapha abantu babeloko bebhizi bengathi bayamshouta you guys ekhupulibi kanje. Imagine a man like Mporo. Guys, did you see that clip? He's a very funny pastor. I'm not lying you guys. If I can get that clip ngayilahlela on my screen, Mporo is a funny pastor. That was a police station amaphoyisa abathu bedla nawo allegedly. So lana usesejele sekuzima ugazi meze court we hayi kubukeka impela kunzinyana akathanda kuba lapha you guys baMporo ngiyacabanga ukuthi yasola but mangabe seke wabosha ka9 hayi useyijayele le yampilo. Useyijwayele bafethu ayikho le ndaba you guys. Pastor Mporo shocked to hear that him and his bodyguard were carrying AK-47 in front of children. Like he's hearing this for the first time. Like really? And then Wednesday case and Pastor Mporo has been previously arrested 9 times. But his reaction kills me. Hi guys, nami reaction ka Mporo yahlekisa. Hayi ngeke ukhona umuntu nayi meme ye video ya mashuks ka Mporo fakani sound. Hi you guys, the way he acts so shocked. Omunye wathi Mporo is full of drama. Yazi waba Mporo is full of drama. Afuna uqamba manga you guys. Omunye wathi this man must have been smoking something strong. Kuleya video yakhe ephethe amaphanga. Usiyamanga lapha necourt mabekhuluma ngamaphanga. Hayi. It means Pastor Mporo is a serious criminal. He has been arrested 9 times. Uzoba slicer kayi-1. No more being a gangster by Pastor Mporo. Remand prison will humble you. Those are the people you guys after Mporo was trending and still trending. Utipati Pastor Mporo is shocked by the evidence you guys ukuthi why phethe a semi-automatic rifle and a panga. Really was shocked. Angazi kahle ukuthi uyazi bephethe amapanga but ukuthi into ebimshoka yini I honestly also do not know. But anyways you guys iloko Mporo ate trend ngakizolo they were denied bail and the bodyguard yakhe but umntana wakhe was out on warning, something like that you guys. So yeah, I mean ikona kwenzekayo which means ku release umntwana kaMporo and then yena ne bodyguard yakhe ngokuphatha kwabi ibhamu they were denied bail and basazojika futhi ngo-October. Izona zindaba zika Baba Mporo. Thank you so much for watching this video. Like it or subscribe or share siyabonana futhi kwenye landelayo. Bye.